In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail layouts effectively. Gmail layouts are an excellent tool for organizing your emails in a visually appealing and functional way, which can greatly enhance your email management experience. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can tailor your inbox to your liking. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to Gmail. Once you're there, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. This will bring you to your main inbox view. It's typical for the default view to show your emails in a single column, but there's so much more you can do to personalize this layout. Look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This is where all your customization options will be hiding. Click the gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. You'll immediately see several options, including some preset themes and density settings. A key setting here is the inbox type. Click on Custom to start personalizing the main view of your emails. This area allows you to organize and prioritize emails based on categories such as primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. By selecting or deselecting these tabs, you're deciding how Gmail sorts incoming messages. Enabling these tabs can help declutter your primary inbox by categorizing emails into designated sections. Once you've selected the inbox type, let's move on to theme customization. Within the Quick Settings panel, you will also see Themes. Click on it to view a variety of visually appealing backgrounds and colors to choose from. Customizing the theme can help make your inbox more visually engaging. You can select solid colors, nature scenes, or even upload your own photos for a personal touch. Simply click on a theme you like, and Gmail will immediately show you a preview of how it will look. Now let's focus on email density settings. Within the same Quick Settings panel, you'll find options for density. Here, Gmail offers 3 different layouts: default, comfortable, and compact. Choosing default will show attachments right in the main email line, which can be convenient for quickly identifying important documents. The comfortable setting will show you a slight gap between emails, while compact reduces this spacing to fit more emails on the screen at once. Choose the one that best fits your workflow and screen size. Finally, make sure to save any changes you make in the settings to ensure your layout and customization choices are implemented. If you ever need to reset your settings or make additional adjustments, you can always revisit the gear icon and modify your choices. By using Gmail layouts, you're taking control of how you view and manage emails, making your email experience as efficient and personalized as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful for optimizing your Gmail experience.